Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Chevy Malibu's oil. First, gather your tools, a wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. You will also need about 5 quarts of new engine oil and a fresh oil filter. Park your Malibu on a level surface, engage the parking brake, and let the engine cool for at least 15 minutes. Safety first. Now let's drain the old oil. Get under your Malibu and locate the oil drain plug, usually at the bottom of the oil pan. Place your drain pan directly beneath it. Using your wrench, carefully loosen and remove the plug. Be ready for the oil to flow out. Let it drain completely, which usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes, ensuring all the old, dirty oil is out. With the old oil drained, it's time for the filter. Find the old oil filter, which is often close to the drain plug. Use your oil filter wrench to carefully loosen and remove it. Be prepared for a small amount of oil to spill. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin layer of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Then, hand tighten the new filter, followed by an additional 3/4 of a turn. Finally, let's add the new oil. First, securely reinstall the drain plug, being careful not to over-tighten it. Next, locate the oil fill cap on top of your engine and remove it. Carefully pour in about 5 quarts of your new engine oil. Replace the cap, start your Malibu, and let it run for a minute. Turn it off, wait a few minutes, then check the dipstick to ensure the oil level is correct. Look for any leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.